to see the question named Find Customer Referee. Okay, we'll get into the question. They have given the customer table which contains three attributes: ID, name, referee ID. Referee ID represents the customer who referred them. And also they have given the sample input which contains around 6 rows. You can able to see ID, name and referee ID. So the question is about you have to display all the customer name except the customer name who have the referee ID too. For example, here you can able to see like Alex and Mark will having the referee ID too. So you should not display it except them. You have to display all the other customer name. This is the sample output where which doesn't contain that Alex and Mark. Okay. Now we got the question. We'll get into the solution. On speaking about solution, the first approach that will come to your mind is we should use not equal to operator. But in SQL, you should know something about not equal to operator. We will usually use this not equal to operator, exclamatory equal. But in SQL, you will be using less than a greater than that not equal to operator. This is the standard not equal to operator available in SQL. Like this is also supported by some of the SQL database, but I will recommend you to use this not equal to operator because it will be supported by all the SQL database. Okay, we'll get into the code. Okay, here you can able to see that you have to display the name. So I selected the name from the customer table. But the condition is you have to display where the referee ID was not equal to 2. Okay. Okay. We'll run this. Here you can able to see, right? It's giving the wrong answer. Why it will see that? Jack having the referee ID 1. It was displayed, but other than that, all the other customer name was not displayed. Why? Because here the case you have to handle null operator. Okay. The null will be handled by using the is null operator. So here you have to use whether the referee ID is null means you have to display it. So you have to use or condition because either one of the condition satisfied, you have to display. Okay, I will submit this.
I hope now you got an idea how to approach the sum. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so it will motivate me to post many videos.